Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Asnith, and today I went ahead and used the BH Cosmetics Miss Claus the Litless palette again. So today I wanted to try some of the greens, and I really like the way that this look turned out. I think it's so stinking cute. I love this palette so much. On my lips, I did use the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. I got this from a friend and I'm super excited about it, so thank you so much, girl. I was gonna use the Nambla Dreamy 2 palette in today's Vlogmas video, but I decided to do a standalone video with the BH Cosmetics palette because I started watching Elf and it just made me want to do something very Christmassy. So if you haven't seen it, this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think it is just so beautiful. I love using this palette. I've used it like 3 times now. It has not failed me once. I love it so much. I would highly recommend this palette. You could get it for yourself or you could get it for someone else as a Christmas present. I think it is just so beautiful. I think the next time that I do use this, I'm gonna do like a blue and silver look. So I'm really excited about that. For my eyeliner, I did use this Catrice liquid eyeliner again. I got this from a friend as well. I love it so much. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. Before I do, I will let you know if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I do have multiple videos that I do a week. Right now is Vlogmas, so every day I'm posting Vlogmas videos, but I do about 3, sometimes 4 makeup looks a week. It just depends on how busy I get. So yeah, I would love it if you join the family and our little community that we have going on here, so definitely hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? I think that this is so pretty. I love it so much. I'm so excited to have this palette. Do you think you're gonna pick up this palette for one of your friends or family members, maybe even yourself? It's a great palette, so I definitely recommend checking this one out. It's only $29, and if you buy it at Ulta, they have it in stock. You can use the coupon to get a couple dollars off because it's not on the prestige side of the store. I'm really happy with the palette, obviously. I just keep ranting and raving about it. I love it so much. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting 2 to 3 times a week here on my channel, and Vlogmas is every day. So yeah, definitely subscribe, guys. I see like 70% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so hit that button. Come join the family. It'll be a lot of fun. Before I end this, I will say I also use this Essence eyeliner in my waterline, and it feels great. Love it so much. So thank you again to my friend Madeline for getting me this little eyeliner. Hopefully I didn't have lipstick on my teeth the whole time. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.